You know, mathematics is a very important part of our academic and our personal development because it plays into so many different situations. Especially at the early grades, I think a lot of students are natural problem solvers. It's amazing what I can give to a kindergartner and the amount of problem solving they can do without having any formal mathematics in their knowledge base yet. The focus of my research is how children understand mathematical representations. In particular, how teachers help students use their representations to explain their thinking. The reason why I chose UNCG is because it was similar to the program I graduated from at the University of Oklahoma, where students experience a lot of classroom time before they student teach. I think it's extremely important for students to get in the classroom as early as possible when they are an education major so that they know if that is truly the career that they would like to pursue. I spent last year going in and out of about 4 elementary schools here in Guilford County. I had so much fun and I got to teach, and the best part about it was they got to step back and really focus on their students' thinking. And so we were able to debrief afterwards and look at what the students worked on, and they were really surprised at some of the things their students were able to accomplish. We have what's called a Master of Education program. Those teachers are a particularly fun group to work with because we can craft assignments that enable them to study their own teaching in process with their students' learning. So the NC Quest grant is a state grant. We would offer professional development on, let's say, number and operations for children to understand that area in particular. Teachers would go and attend our professional development, then they would go to their classrooms, enact that, and they would bring student artifacts. They would even take some video for us so we could see how children were doing in the progression of these standards. The most fulfilling part of my job is to work with teachers because it's one of the hardest jobs by far.